Hey guys, it's Inesia. Welcome back again. I'm here a lot sooner than I expected to be, but no, we're not talking Christmas decor. We're talking fall decor again. I found myself at 3 different Dollartrees yesterday, so I just had to videotape and show you guys all the amazing finds. Every time I go in, there's something new. These little jars with the lids were super cute. These I showed you before. But this is all at one location in Barrie, Ontario. And I am in love, guys. This store was fully stocked with fall decor and craft stuff, DIYs. These pumpkins would be perfect for your little ones because these are carvable. So you can do a lot of fun things with these ones. And I'm not typically a Halloweeny kind of girl, but last year I did kind of class up the Halloween with some skulls and some things like that. And this year I thought these book looking boxes were really cute. You could stack them on a coffee table. I did end up picking those 2 up. And then they had a lot of these wooden skulls and wooden signs, some fun DIYs you could do with your kids, or you could even make it look really pretty if you were to do it yourself. I really like that spooky sign as well. These are like those Mexican Day of the Dead skulls, and I'm always drawn to them, but I'm not that into the Halloween type things. Okay guys, this is what I was looking for. I cannot believe I found these. I felt like I hit the jackpot with these. They are so beautiful. These velvet pumpkins, they come in so many different colors. I was drawn to the blush, that orangey color, the gold. I picked up about 5 of these, even the blues and the greens. This olive green color was gorgeous too. Really every single color, you cannot go wrong with any of these colors, but this year I'm leaning towards non-traditional colors, so I picked up some of those. Again, more pumpkins, guys. Any type of pumpkin really you're looking for, they have it. Also these corn husks, you could add to a wreath, you could add to your decor. These pumpkins had little intricate carved details on them, which were pretty. The thing with the pumpkins at Dollar Tree, they're all a smaller size, but what do you expect for $1.25, $1.50 here in Canada, right? These ones, again, blue. I had to get the blue because blue goes with my kitchen and my kitchen space, so I got that for the kitchen. More glitter pumpkins. Just so many pumpkins, so many varieties of pumpkins, stacked pumpkins, and again, those little wooden signs that we've seen throughout the past week or so. These were also really cute. These ones are ceramic, and then more wooden signs. I really like this one, the truck, you know, the famous truck. We all have to have one of those. This location also had the word signs, thankful, gather, family. These are beautiful for a DIY. Even just paint them one solid color and display them. And then more signs. I keep saying wooden signs. They're not really wood. They're made of particle board, but you guys get what I mean. They also had a variety of ribbon. I really like this one with the orange pumpkins on it. And then my second favorite was probably this gingham white and black. I do have a lot of gingham print at home as well. Here we are at Dollartree number 2. This one was also in Barrie, Ontario, and I found this burlap ribbon there that I hadn't seen at any of the other Dollartrees. I love the one that was trimmed in white lace. I did grab a couple of those. And then of course more wooden signs, and then more pumpkins and vines and leaves and foliage and all the pretty things to make your fall wreaths. So the floral section was cute. They had a lot of interesting different florals. I love the ones with the little pumpkins on them. At the next location, you'll see that I did find some white ones that I ended up picking up. These little mats were super cute for fall. For $1.25, you can't go wrong. You can add a fringe to it, do a cute DIY with it. Of course, I had to stop in the craft aisle to see what was new there. I'm loving this jute multicolor rope. Also this jute wire. It looks like string, but it's actually bendable, and it's made of wire. A lot of different selections. I like these stickers, these emblems. I would use in a DIY for sure if you wanted to put it on a flat surface and then just spray paint over it to give it the texture. I think that would be really cute. And then I talked about these number and letter stickers in a previous video. And if you're doing a DIY that requires you to write words, but you don't have a Cricut, you can always use some of these to make it look pretty. This I just found interesting. I had never seen it in any of the locations. I'm not too sure what it is. Maybe a jewelry dish or a decor item. These also little decor items, these balls, I thought they were interesting, so I just thought I'd snap a video. These signs I did see at a few different locations. They're perfect for your little ones. When they're born, you're doing those monthly photos, and then just some decor pieces. These little wooden, these cut little wooden discs are cute for decor or ornaments, stuff like that. And then of course the wreath bases, when you're making a wreath, those come in handy, right? And then little picks and stuff, if you want to make your own little plants or wreath, what be it. And they had a lot of wooden pieces at this location. They had these wooden signs that said happy and family and stuff like that. Sorry, my videotaping wasn't the best here. Then they had a lot of these metal cutouts. Again, perfect for a DIY or even as an accent piece in your home. They have different words like relax, family, welcome, home, stuff like that. I haven't seen these at any other locations. Like I said, this location was pretty amazing. And then they had these Scrabble cubes with the letters on them. You can spell out words, you can do a photo frame and add a word to it. A lot of DIYs you could do with that. And then just so many little wooden pieces, puzzle pieces. You can create your own puzzles, some cork board, that's what I use. Actually, that's similar to what I use for my DIY tray. You can find the links below if you're interested in seeing that. Wood carved names, little magnet pieces, little wooden words. The selection was just amazing at this location. Most definitely my favorite Dollar Tree location. I swear it was massive and it was fully stocked with the best stuff. This one again is in Barrie as well, and this one was on Yonge Street. These decals, they had a large variety of these. These would be perfect for your little girl's room. I love the floral. And for $1.25, come on guys, you can't go wrong with that. I thought these were cute. The color is a little off on the camera, but they're pretty fall colors. You could probably use them even on your porch with some pumpkins inside or something like that. Last but not least, Dollar Tree number 3. Their floral section was amazing. I picked up some beautiful vines and pumpkins and florals from this area. I'll show you after. They have these pretty burlap leaves that I really like. They had them in the orange and the burlap color, and then some interesting floral pins. I think they were pins. These little candle holders I hadn't seen at any of the other locations, so I thought those were cute. And then again, big variety of picks and stuff like that for your wreaths. So this location had a lot of the same things as the other 2 locations, so I didn't bother to videotape that. I don't want you guys to get bored, but these florals were something new. I love the colors. There were some purples, some blues. I of course had to snag those. So that's basically it for today. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please remember to like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching.